Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the screen navigation. So changed 3 buttons to gestures and gestures to buttons. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings. And here we need to scroll and find the option display. Then let's scroll down and localize the option navigation bar. And as you can see here, we've got swipe gestures and buttons. So if you've got the gestures, you'd like to set the buttons, just tap on this option on the left. You can decide whether you want to use the circle to search option just by tapping on this switcher. And you can go to more options, and here you can reorder the back button and the resend, so you can just personalize it. If you wish to set the gestures, just tap on this option here, and instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can tap on more options here, and here you've got the gesture sensitivity. So to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. And again, circle to search here. So if you wish to get back to the previous page, just swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, simply release the finger, and the same situation from the left side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the resend, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, so kind of elongate the gesture. Oh, sorry. Just like that. And here we've got the resends. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.